In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your webhook secret in Stripe. First, log into your Stripe dashboard. Make sure you are in the correct mode, either test or live, depending on where you want to work. Next, go to the left menu and click on Developers, then click Webhooks. Here, you will see your webhook endpoints. You can either select an existing endpoint or create a new one by clicking Add Endpoint. If you're adding a new endpoint, you will need to enter the endpoint URL, which is where Stripe will send the webhook events. Then choose the events you want to listen for. Now open the endpoint details. Look for the Signing Secrets section. Click the Reveal button next to the secret. This will show your webhook secret key. Copy the secret key and use it in your application. This key helps you verify that the incoming webhooks are really coming from Stripe. And that's how you get your webhook secret in Stripe. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.